So I have a model that have a soft edge on that. So we are going to use another modifier, that is smooth by angle modifier. By this modifier, we can give a hard edge and soft edge without giving hard edge. So for that we have to click on here, add modifier, then hit on the smooth by angle. As you can see, without giving the hard edge, you can get this effect. For example, we have this model. So here we need hard. Here also we need hard, but we get a soft output here. So same thing, we can use add modifier, then smooth by angle. Yeah, we get a nice effect without giving hard edge. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, just comment in the comment box. See you in the next video.